Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the Warzone not starting bug. And yeah, this is if you can't play Warzone or this has been messing you up a lot, this is how to fix it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so usually when you click play, it'll say launching, and then this error code's going to come up, and then it'll say whatever, scan repair, fix this issue. Yeah, that doesn't help at all. So the way to fix this is you're actually going to want to head over to Task Manager. You're gonna want to find Battle.net Update Agent. Here it is. I skipped it. You're gonna want to right click and click End Task. Close out a Task Manager, and then you're gonna want to go to Options, Game Settings. Make sure additional command line arguments are unchecked. Done. Options, Show and Explore, and then you're gonna want to click on Call of Duty. Scroll down. Call of Modern Warfare, right click, and then run as administrator. Then you can exit out of there, wait for the game to load up, and then there you go. Game should start. It might be a little bit choppy at first, but yeah, your game should start. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment down if you want more of these types of videos. I just tabbed out right now because I had to update it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please comment below whether you want more videos like this on different games or on fixes like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching.